We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, we are within this down move. Now the question is because the price dropped quite a lot and almost near to the previous low, because if there is a continuation, simply we can expect the price drop to zero point 0.5. All right. Anyway, you know, what's the next? And mostly we are more interested to look for buy. Anyway, right now we are within this correction. Any trade setup for buy, we will take it because most of the chart they have a similar movement, similar explanation. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, and if we put look at this one in relative to the previous one, even the price couldn't 100% tag previous low, but mostly if you refer to the indicators, we see is losing the momentum. That's mean we can refer to the indicator. We can look for the divergence. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And this is the levels we're looking for: 0.81, following by 0.89, and following by 0.96. That's mean if we get any trade setup, this is the levels we're looking for. At least we can expect to get one move up similar to what we have here. Then from there, we want to see whether there is a continuation. Mostly we are looking for 0.89. If there is a breakout of 0.89, mostly we can look for continuation. If not, then this one can turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, we are within this down move and we can look for extension. All right, it can extend, but mostly we are not really interested to look for sell. We are more interested to look for buy. If we get any trade for buy, we will take it. As I mentioned, most of the chart they have a similar movement, and even based on 1 hour chart, this is what we see. And we see is losing the momentum. Even last price almost we can we can consider the price couldn't tag, if you put our line here, couldn't tag 100%, but almost within the range, and we can look for the divergence. Anyway, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Similar explanation as what I explained based on forward chart, and having entry above the stop, because if he wants to look for buy as a sharp move flag, right, for tree, because if he wants to look for trade, we need to look for the sharp move flag, at least similar to what we get here before we take the trade. And the second option also, we can put our entry as 0.743 in case the price reverse sharply. But we should know that if we want to put our entry above the top, we should know that the possibility of the price tag and drop. That's why if the price tag is not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. But the best thing is if we get a reversal as a sharp move flag. Anyway, as I mentioned, most of the chart, they have a similar movement, and mostly we're looking for the tree reversal. That's mean we're looking for buy. And if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it similar to what we have here. All right. Anyway, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.